Welcome to TWM Performance. Today we have a Mazda 6 to show you guys how to install a TWM Performance shift knob. So first thing you're going to want to do is turn counterclockwise the shift knob to take it off. Next step is to install the jam nut onto the shifter shaft. This jam nut is included in every TWM Performance shift knob kit, and it's going to help you align the engraving after the shift knob has been installed. You're going to thread it all the way down to the bottom, and there's no need to tighten it for the time being. Next thing you're going to want to install is the aluminum insert. This is going to be installed with the hex side facing upwards. Now you can lightly tighten the insert to the jam nut using a 15mm wrench. Next thing you're going to want to do is choose from the provided spacers with the TWM kit, whichever height will suit you the best. So for the purpose of this shift knob, we are going to install the medium spacer, the 1/2-inch spacer. For this installation, we've chosen a Big Type R in satin finish with the appropriate 5-speed engraving for the Mazda 6. Simply insert your 1/2-inch spacer into the shift knob and thread the shift knob down. And as we can see here, the shift pattern is slightly misaligned by about 25 degrees. So from here we're going to want to back off the aluminum insert by that 25 degrees and tighten the jam nut up against the insert to make for the perfect alignment. You're going to be using a 15mm key and a 9/16 for the jam nut. And then tighten the jam nut up against the insert. Reinsert the spacer into the shift knob and thread the shift knob back on.